Okay, guys, my wife, take a picture up here, has done a great job taping off everything, and I am about to paint. My generous wife, who won't let me take a picture of her, I'll have to sneak one, is going to allow me to turn this into a reloading room, and I thank her for that. She didn't have to do that because I was going to build another building for it, but she did. So finally, cancer pity is finally paid off. I'm just kidding. She's standing behind there, giving me a really bad look. But did you pan the room pretty good? We've remodeled this thing. This was the first room I remodeled. Tore all the doors out, put the small crown molding up, and smaller molding at the floor, but we both learned that we kind of like the bigger crown molding and the bigger blocks. But she did a great job taking everything off, and we're about to paint it. I've got my nephew building a oak bench, shooting bench. It's going to be an L. It's going to go right here. It's also going to have a cabinet on it where I can put my supplies in it, and I can get out of the garage, which is just killing me. Too hot or too cold. But I figure it'll go out to here and then to here, and it'll have a solid 2-inch solid wood top with drawers. I'm gonna have the Lee boys come over and put me a couple of inset T rails so I can set my reloading bars on top of it, and a vise over here, because this is just going to be for other stuff, and at the right length. I love those things because you can really tighten them down. But anyway, a lot of thanks to my wife and to my nephew Justin, who's going to build that other one. And we're getting new carpet in. Look at the carpet. There's nothing wrong with that carpet. I'm just kidding. We put this carpet in when we first, 20 years ago? Maybe longer, 25? 23? 30? 30 years ago. Look at this carpet. And it runs throughout the house, and I want to get all this done and the carpet in for the the reloading table comes in. But anyway, I'm out of breath talking to you, but what are you doing? She's getting really close. Don't do that because I'm ugly. But see you in a little bit.